Hi, I'm Liamela Ray. Here are 3 reasons to learn digital marketing. 1. High demand for digital marketers. 1. The demand for digital marketers is growing rapidly. 1. In fact, a recent study by the US Bureau of Labor Statistics projects that employment of marketing specialists is projected to grow 10% from 2020 to 2030, faster than the average for all occupations. 1. This growth is being driven by the increasing importance of digital marketing for businesses of all sizes. 2. Digital marketing is a versatile skill set. 2. Digital marketing is a versatile skill set that can be applied to a variety of industries and businesses. 2. Whether you're looking to work in marketing, sales, or even customer service, digital marketing skills can give you a competitive edge. 3. Digital marketing is a constantly evolving field. 3. Digital marketing is a constantly evolving field, which means that there's always something new to learn. 3. This can be a great opportunity for those who are looking for a challenging and rewarding career. If you're interested in learning more about digital marketing, there are a number of resources available online and in libraries. You can also take courses from accredited universities or online learning platforms. With a little effort, you can learn the skills you need to succeed in this exciting and growing field. Thanks for watching.